Ka fapate hong ang katute. Daphne faten lo tling vet. Hey, oi ha.
Hey, Beanie.
Thank you guys. You guys are. Hey, how's everything?
Pretty nice, I guess.
So, hey, Finny.
Yeah?
How's your baseball? How are you doing with your baseball?
I bought these new shoes.
Oh, you bought the new shoes. You have the new shoes. Oh yeah. Okay, boys. You know the deal. I will make the bed for you later when you guys. Okay, Rudy,
What?
come here.
I'm not wearing.
Okay, that's okay. Just explain that to me. What is that?
It is a bandolier. It is full of fake plastic bullets.
Okay, put that
and
on.
it is for my Halloween costume.
Okay, put that on and see.
It fits, which frankly was the only thing I was looking for
Oh, really?
earlier. That's why I took it out.
Wow.
And it's good for my Halloween costume.
Okay, so what are you gonna be on Halloween?
I'm not frankly quite sure.
We got all these bullets, so what's gonna be?
I need it for the Halloween costume.
Okay, what is Finn's gonna be?
He doesn't know either.
I bought these new shoes, but
I got a lot of noodle soup and then there are hot dogs and bacon, turkey bacon.
This looks all yellow.
Are you making a scrambled eggs?
Yeah.
Look at Finn
Oh, look at
here.
him. Look at him. Hey, Lars.
Oh boy.
Lars, come here.
Watch out, baby. Don't spill it.
Okay, take it two hands. Take it two hands.
What you doing?
Okay, drink it. Drink it.
Lars, come here.
Oh my god. Ah, you're spilling. You're spilling.
What?
Zing ting pui te kanina ni. Hey Rooney, you're having cereal. Did you like raisin? Why you want it in a bowl with that? Hey, tell me. Seiji. Okay, tell me how old are you?
7.
7?
Yeah.
Are you in school?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you having right now?
Tea.
Tea? You like tea?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think we in that bola that do
Drinking the tea.
I know.
But he's drinking the tea. Drinking a cup of tea.
Yeah. Hey.
I'm gonna throw up.
Oh boy.
I need that phone.
So what's your teacher's name?
Say.
Okay.
Mrs. Taggart.
What, Mrs.?
Mrs. Taggart.
Tackle?
Tack.
Tack?
Taggart.
Oh, okay. All right.
Attacker.
Taggart.
And then how about you, Finn? Finn just started middle school.
Taggart.
But there, what's your teacher's name?
My homeroom?
Yeah.
Miss Marat.
Okay, you like middle school, Kaltia? You like being in middle school? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Rasura, Katil. But there, Finn, there. Get that.
The what?
See how big my both of them, yeah. Just hold it in front of you. The long way. Cắt sang khat deuhin the other way. Hold it. Yeah. Oh yeah, upside down. I mean the long way. Yeah.
You want rice?
Alia, nanya hey. Ten mayana. Wasura kalau thei lawa hey. Kan lo sa po. What do you think? You think you will eat that? You like to eat that? No? Okay. กัน กับฟาปาช่วงเต้นผมอันกัลนัวให้นิมินอันเราเข่งเวลากับฟานูฟาเตกันบวยเทยเร็บขบไหมวีคเอนซูอันนี้ฮิกเมลซาสมนิเวลาลานออกมานิมินค่านี่นั้นรอนกะละ
You want rice balls?
Oh, rice ball, mo, bitte. Här bitte. Alian, per på nej. Okay, tell me what games are you playing? Hey, Lars, det är Lian Berto and hnuah. Lian Berto, what grade are you? I forgot bitte.
I'm a junior in high school.
Oh, you're a junior. Zak det veni. Tell me about being in middle school.
That's good.
So what's the difference between middle school and elementary school?
Well, in elementary, you have homeroom,
Uh-huh.
and that's basically it. Then you have a bunch of other classes, mainly as like a special. That's what they called it.
Uh-huh.
So like one day we would have art, and the next we would have like music or something.
Oh,
But
okay.
in middle
What subject you like the most?
I like tech ed, and I also like social studies and math.
Finte hi baseball. I play tiam Emma. So how are you doing with your baseball game this year?
Oh, I'm doing good.
Doing good? So your team is good this year?
Yeah. Well, now we've lost all games currently.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna do better though, right?
Yeah, probably. I mean, like last season I had baseball. We lost all, but like
You're gonna do
one-
snowboarding again too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Finte hiya milay ta kanya pa kafanuin fapapa nga niya Larsania runen ya chan finte niya then say chania chuanin dena ni boka. Hey hi Lars. Bite enge I game ka New London. Alian berpon baseball game te hin la play anuam hin te veya tun vo in ni ya hianin niminan lokala vo ina tlayan honga naktuk school an kalle mai dona he kan ina zangkhat weekend mangin an lokala ni hi Seiji, come here. Show me what you have there. I want you to show me. Come here.
Xbox.
Like, come here. Nge bite ka. Okay, what do you have there? Show me.
Xbox.
Oh. Okay, Rooney, you started high school this year. What do you like about being in high school the first year?
Not a whole lot of things. I mean, I guess I get to see my friends, but that's about the only positive.
Okay, so you are involved in the
Cross country team, yeah.
Okay, so how often you practice and when is
Every
it?
day except Sunday.
Cross country in Tlansia ka Larsanen and Telvea need and practice. So when is a competition?
Our next race is Tuesday, I believe.
Karle ni thole ni anin Tlansiak don ni. So how many miles you run?
3 usually.
Meltum ani chun in Tlansiak. So how many people are there? How many kids are involved? How many kids?
I think somewhere in the range of like 30 maybe.
Oh,
if I had to guess.
some vel. So Lars is doing that also, right?
Me and Lars.
So far you enjoy?
I guess. I mean, yeah,
Okay, so
fine.
my other question is, what's the difference between high school and middle school?
Middle school is a lot harder.
Middle school is harder. Middle school to har sa zo katyani to high school I chuanin. So what subject you're taking?
Art.
Art. Okay. Well, that's good. It's amazing, right? Being in high school.